To use Venmo, you need to download its app and link your bank account, credit card, or debit card. The Venmo platform operates through its mobile application, which can be downloaded from the App Store for iOS devices or the Play Store for Android devices. Creating an account involves choosing a sign-up method, verifying your phone number and email address, and adding and verifying your bank account, a process that can be done through the app or website. Venmo is a convenient way to send or receive money, particularly between family and friends, and it offers features such as a virtual calculator to split bills. The app introduces a social element to payments, allowing you to add emojis to transactions and view friends' activity feeds. While Venmo is generally a free mobile payment app, some charges apply to certain transactions. These include instant transfer fees, which are charged for instant bank transactions, though transactions are free if you can wait up to 2 business days, and merchant fees, which are charged to retailers and merchants but not to individuals making payments. Additionally, a 3% charge is levied on transactions associated with credit cards. Unlike bank accounts and debit cards, which have free transfers, overall, Venmo's features and functionality make it a useful tool for peer-to-peer transactions, and its social elements add a unique touch to the payment process.